Hey everyone, happy belated New Year. I've got a package to unwrap today and a giveaway to announce. So let's get right into it. Unboxing knife today is my antique fishing knife, and the package comes to us from Hendrix Classics and Company, or HC&C. So this package comes to me by way of Frank over at Strike Gold Shave. I won this during their big Christmas giveaway. So Frank from Strike Gold Shave was kind of leading everything up, and I know there was Mike, the Sarasota Shaver, and Monkey from Monkey's Tropical Adventures. I feel like there was one other person in the live, but I don't remember who. If you guys were watching that and you remember who it was, leave me a comment below. Let me know who that was. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing. So I won the gift certificate from Hendrix Classics & Co., which is awesome because I'd been looking forward to trying them for a while and hadn't gotten around to it yet. So gave me a reason to finally place an order with Pete. So the first thing I got was some soap. So if you guys don't know about Hendrix Classics & Co., so they are known for doing scenting oils. So it's kind of a scent your own soap idea. And this is their unscented soap base. Very full tub there. It's 5 ounces of soap, and I'm pretty sure this base is, it's not tallow, but it's not vegan. I think he is going to be switching to tallow sometime soon. If you guys didn't see the interview that, it was a Shave Talk episode that IMCDB did with Pete, I'll link that in the description below. Just kind of gives a nice insight into Pete and his company and him as a vendor. But he did mention in there that he's thinking about changing his base to tallow, mainly for sustainability purposes. But this one here is his non-tallow formula, which I hear is very, very good soap. So the next thing I got was obviously some scenting oils. So let's check these out. So the first one here, I think Pete snuck in there on me because I don't remember ordering this one, is Ibiza Nights. I'm probably butchering that pronouncement. That's kind of what I do, but I do my best. Oh, and that smells very nice. That's a nice cologne scent, which I really prefer. Those are my favorite scents usually. I like that one. Also got Riviera, which is their take on Acqua di Gio. And that's a nice citrus aquatic Acqua di Gio scent. Picked up Irish Breeze, which is Pete's take on Green Irish Tweed, which smells very nice. So if you guys didn't know, I'm kind of a connoisseur when it comes to Green Irish Tweeds. I've tried almost all of them that are available for purchase right now. I've actually got a couple more coming right now. And then the next thing we got here is Fresh Start, which is Hendrix take on Aventus, which smells very nice. It's definitely an Aventus take. Then the last one I've got here is Cloud 9, which that smells very nice. So Cloud 9 is kind of a riff on Green Irish Tweed. So Pete said he actually likes this better. So we'll see once I get it into a soap and kind of fill the bathroom up with it, how it differs from Green Irish Tweed. So he also threw in samples of the balms, unscented shave balms, and a towel. So Pete recently did a video where he was talking about these towels that he was releasing and kind of talking about the microfibers and his selection process for the towels. If I can find that I'll link it below. But it looks like he threw in one of these towels for me. So thanks, Pete. I do not have a Lancaster towel. I've heard they're awesome. I get by with my hand towels. I have some barber towels that I tend to use, and they work for me. So I just have never gone out of my way to get a nice towel. So looking forward to checking this one out. So the last thing that Pete offered to give me was actually for you guys. So I was chatting with Pete on Instagram about some of these scent oils, and he offered to send me some gift cards to give out to viewers of the channel. So I said, I love giving stuff away, especially when that stuff is given to me. So really appreciate Pete making the offer, and I have a gift card to give away to you guys. We didn't quite nail down the price yet, but I know it's going to be at least 15, maybe a little bit more. And if you want to enter to win that gift card, all you got to do is leave me a comment below, HC&C, just like it says on the screen, HC&C. Just leave me that comment and I'll draw a winner in probably about 2 weeks. I'll go ahead and use a random comment picker to choose from everybody that leaves me a comment here. So thank you very much to Pete for throwing all these extras in and for supporting you guys, my viewers. Really appreciate your involvement in the community, Pete, and looking forward to trying these products. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.